Kingdom this morning. That rain is heading towards the southeast, and if you're caught underneath this band of rain, driving conditions are quite difficult, and it looks like it's going to push towards the southeast through the rest of today, but it'll never clear away from the southeastern corner of the United Kingdom before it starts to push its way back towards the west through tonight and indeed through tomorrow, heading across western parts of England and eventually heading in towards eastern parts of Scotland. So we are watching for the possibility of some localised flooding through today, tonight and tomorrow across England and Scotland. We could well see 50 millimetres of rain in one or two spots. It looks like the highest risk of disruption over the next 36 hours is going to be in the southeastern corner of the United Kingdom, but across much of England there is a risk of disruption, as there is for southern Scotland too. And already the Environment Agency has issued flood watches for the Isle of Wight, for Hampshire and for Lancashire. If you are worried about your area, you could ring the flood line for England and Wales on 0845 988 1188. As that rain clears away, things will slowly start to brighten up in some central areas. Elsewhere, we'll see a mixture of sunny spells and showers, and some of those showers will be heavy and thundery across the northwest. And it's not going to be a very warm afternoon. A top temperature of just 14 to 16 degrees in the north, 17 or 18 in the south, and in quite a brisk wind. Then tonight, southeastern areas will be wet. There'll be some showers in the northwest. Elsewhere, it'll be dry, and with light winds, we could see some patchy mist and fog forming. And it's certainly going to turn quite cold in parts of Scotland. Temperatures dropping as low as 2 or 3 degrees in some sheltered areas, and that's low enough for risk of a touch of ground frost. So tomorrow it'll be wet from the word go across southeastern areas, that rain pushing towards the west, eventually heading in towards eastern parts of Scotland. Further towards the west, there'll be a mixture of sunny spells and scattered showers. Now, it's also been quite wet further south in Portugal. There's been more than twice the September average in less than one day, and it looks like it is going to be quite unsettled across Iberia for the next couple of days too. Now, the wet weather we had across England and Wales last week has now headed across towards the Ukraine, and it looks like it is going to be pretty wet here for the next couple of days. The driest, brightest weather will be across southeast Europe. Now, for any dry, bright weather, really we need to wait till Thursday. The low pressure system's moving away through Wednesday. A little bit of a high pressure ridge moving in to dry things out for a time. So a very unsettled day on Wednesday, but slightly drier and brighter for many of us